It just happens ukuthi other people may be intimidated by other people's success. Yazi ungazobona abantu bekuzonda nje kanti ubenza bebe uncomfortable ngokuthi wena usuccessful ezintweni bona ezibahlulayo. Uyayizwa leyo nto? Wena ubenza bebe aware of izinto ezibahlulayo, ama demons that they still need to face. And wena if you are confident ngalokho wena osuku-achievile, they just feel intimidated. Uzuyitshela ukuthi wena ingoba mhlambe there is something wrong with you. Kanti there is nothing wrong with you, but all wrong with them. Instead ukuthi bona bebe subdued, bese beya acknowledge ukuthi I still need to do this. I still need to work out to work on this empilweni yami. Instead bona what they do baba envious, yabo, bese be discourage kulokho osukukwenza ukuze ufile sengazuthi you are doing something wrong khona uzobuya ufane nabo. Bayajabula ke mase sewuwile sewureverta back to lokho kusuka kukona ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akhasha uthi ngenzana noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli, uyabona. Yazi ukuthi ke abantu bayakwazi ukuthi bakuzondela ukuthi nje uwena futhi wenza izinto ngeyakhe indlela. Abantu bangama people pleasers la eminyango, abantu bayancetheza, bayanceleba la eminyango. And if it happens ukuthi wena awuncelebi futhi uphila ngokuyimiso zakho futhi ulandela iorder yakho, uhlela izinto ngendlela yakho, abakuthandisisi lokho. Uthola ukuthi wena kunento osuphumile kuyona, mhlambe njengani nje, mhlambe uphumile entweni ezifana nezidakamizwa, mhlambe uphumile otshwaleni, mhlambe uphumile kwayo, mhlambe uphumile kwi-gambling, mhlambe uphumile ekuhlebeni noma uphumile kwi-habit ethile ebeniyenza nje ninganakile. Kodwa just because sewuphumile and ukwazile ukunqoba lokho, ubone sewuba nyama nambana nje, yabo. Khuleka ke mntakamuntu, angithi vele phela i-friction iyona yenza kube ne-movement, yabo. Yabona nje laphansi ngesikhathi wena unyawo lakho luyale, i-friction iya on the opposite side. Ngithi yabo khona kuzokwazi ukuthi kube khona i-movement. I-friction ibalekile. Those people needs to be there. There's nothing wrong with you. Bona nje they only should make you stronger and stronger. They should make you intensify ama forces akho. Ungasabi futhi ungabe ashamed of yourself. Yayizwa leyo nto. Abantu abaneqiniso ke bayafika bezokutshela ukuthi lalela, uyazi ukuthini, ngiyayithanda indlela owenza ngayo. Uyayizwa leyo nto. Abanye ke bayakwazi ukukuncoma, bekuncomela emakhonini, but phambi kwabanye beshayise ngazuthi besalana unga understand ukuthi what is happening. That's just part of life. Angithi uyazwa loo nto. Mina I know people they just get intimidated by other people's success. Yes. Noma ingabe uhlobo luni le success, as long as yena engeke akwazi ukuyi-achieve loo nto, noma eyibuka yena eyibuke engeke akwazi ukuyi-achieve, noma eyibona i-hard for yena, uzoba envious. Angithi that is why kulula ukuthi bevele befinyelele kwi-conclusion yokuthi umuntu uthwele. Hayi ngoba lona unenhlanhla vele, hayi laba vele bakhula bemnandi kubo. Uyayizwa leyo nto. Lento imfaka i-position yokuthi hayi kufanele vele yena angakhona ukwenza lento because lo omunye une privilege, akafuni ukuthi nje cha hayi usebenzile yena kanzima impela azafike la akhona. Bayafuna abantu ukuthi uhlehlele emuva. Don't be ashamed of yourself. Ungalinge, you deserve it. Don't be ashamed of yourself. Ngibuye futhi ngingene kule party le yabantu aba-spiritual nabantu asebebuka izinto ngenye indlela, asebe-uncovile ba-discover iqiniso lokuthi impilo ayiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona, kunamakhadi adlalwa under the table. Uyabona laba sebediscoverile lokho. Ngiyacela ukuthi belenze iqiniso ebantwini. Yabona bangenza abantu ukuthi bebe complacent, yabo. Bebe reluctant ukwenza izinto. Ngezizathu sokuthi bazothi hayi vele kunabantu abasiqhoqhobele, kunabantu abangapheki kwethu, so kufanele vele thina sibe unsuccessful, kufanele vele thina sithola si on the wrong side of the equation. It's because of those people. Lokho ke ukufaka iblame, yes, as much as when you have discovered ukuthi yeah, there are people who are playing us here. There are people who are giving us false information. There are people who are capitalizing with ignorance. As much as yes, you have discovered that, but yeah, ibalulekile phela into ekuthiwa plan of action. You cannot tell me ukuthi just because wena kwashona abazali bakho bonke noma umzali wakho omunye awumazi bese ungitshela ukuthi hayi vele kufanele mina ukuthi ngingabe successful, vele into zami kanje. Lokho ukwenza scapegoat lokho, yabo. Isikhathi sokuqala ukuthi udiscover, and then once udiscoverile ke play igame differently. Mina cannot come la kunina ngizonitshela ukuthi yabona nje njengoba kunjena nje vele abelungu vele abathile ama elite lawa ya aphezulu, those few people 1% or 5% on top, they are engineering your reality in this way and in this way, and then bese ngithi mina no ya kufanele ukuthi kusibe nje. Mina I always talk kunena ukuthi guys, you need to invest as little as you can. You need to do something. I always come with something practical, what you need to do at least, yabo, what you need to do bese kusala kuyena umuntu nobuvila bakhe, yabo. But nje I cannot just say like okay, let us just be victim of the circumstance, then it means die phela, yabo. Kushuthi sekuphelile goodbye. If you are not here ungeke usazama to make life better, to change your life, to change the circumstances, it means phela now sekuphelile, game over. Why usahlaleleni thala yodwa. So we need to be better and better and better, be better version of ourselves, because lokho ikona kanye lokho kuzokwenza ukuthi abantu behlale phansi bechile bese be blame ama situations ukuthi hayi vele mina ngeke ngaze ngaba better ngenxa ka 1 no 2 no 3, abeke brick wall nje yena ngithi yabo, bese buye ezoba envious kubantu abenza izinto zenzeke. Yes, ngoba phela ukuthi uncover iqiniso kusho ukuthi dlala igame in a different manner now. Akusho ukuthi chill now and say they are playing us, they are putting food, they are putting poison in food, then all these things that you have discovered. So what it means for you, yes, you know ukuthi kunokudla genetically modified. Yes, you know that now they are playing with inflation. You know that they are printing money like never before. They are you know that they are capitalizing. They are, all of those things. So what does that mean? Does it mean you have to be victim of the circumstance? It means play the game differently. And how to play the game differently is to change your narrative, the way you used to do things. You have to change it. So you cannot scrutinize everything nje manje. Do something. If ukuthi wena uzokumela ukwenza izinto ngenye indlela, zenze lezo zinto ngaleyo ndlela, because silawulwa i-energy la. Yenza lokho i-energy yakho ekuvumelayo ukuthi ukwenza, yabo. Don't be just victim of the circumstance. Be complacent, yabo. Don't do that. And don't be envious about other people who are trying. Do something. Abanye sebeyibonile into, sebeyidlala igame ngenye indlela, abanye bafika nama revolutions athile. Do something. Ngiyabo. But ke mina ke I am an advocate of internal authority. As a human design chart reader, I always say follow your strategy and authority. Your energy will never lie to you. It will tell you exactly what you need to do. Don't force yourself. Wait for things to come to you. Most of you are projectors and generators. Don't just push. We are just pushing. Maybe you are pushing the wrong thing at the right time, or you are pushing the right thing at the wrong time. So just wait and listen to your guts and your intuitions. What do they tell you what to do? Don't do as people do. Do what is right for you.